Good morning, everyone. Justin Peppers here with Blue Ridge Cedar Homes and Peppers Construction Company. We are on site in Salem, South Carolina this morning on the Lake Kiwi job. We're about to do a walkthrough of this Lindal cedar home and wanted to film it and bring it to you this morning. Now, from the low side of the home here, you can get a great view of all the post and beam timber in this Lindal home. This is one of my favorite stages of the home because you can see all the exposed timber and it just gives you a great view of the structure. Let's take a closer look. Walking up a little closer, we're going to take a close-up look at the Douglas fir beams that Lindal provides. And here we have one of the concealed hangers that are used when two beams tie to one another. Now, these are a visual grade laminated Douglas fir beam. Here you can see one of the exposed posts that will stand out from the wall. Above the beams we have 11 7/8 inch TJI floor system. And looking out the window here, you can see the world-renowned Tomco Enterprises, our framing crew. They're the guys that put these beautiful homes together for us. Walking down towards the garage, and we already have a Hummer parked in the garage, which seems strange but fitting for a home like this. You can see again these exposed beams and the ceiling structure above. And it's obvious from this point of view that the beams can span great distances, as the case in this garage. From the front of the home, or the street side, you get a great view of the main floor and the second floor loft above. On the front of the home, there's a balcony that is accessible from the loft and also acts as a rain shield for the front door. Exterior walls are framed in 2x6 as a standard. Roof rafters are 2x12s. Here you can see the blocking that goes in between each rafter for support. Also notice the V-joint that is cut into the blocking. This will allow air to travel above the roof insulation, which, if fiberglass, will be installed at the lower portion of the roof rafter, keeping a 4-inch minimum air gap above that will vent the roof from eave to ridgeline. Again, as in all other portions of the home, you see the exposed post and beams on 5-foot 4-inch increments, a signature for a Lindal cedar home. And here we are walking from the master bedroom back out into this main living space. Kitchen is straight ahead that we're looking at, or placed to the right of the living space if you're looking at it on the plan view. And again, we get another look at the post and beam that is throughout the entire house. And at the exterior wall here, you can see the post that is supporting the beam, which is supporting the roof. Up in the loft again, you get a great view of that ridge beam. And we have the roof rafters, 2x12, setting over the top. And to the left here, we have a ledger board, which is attached to the side wall, and the guys are ready to place rafters in those joist hangers. The last shot that we have on our walkthrough today is the view walking in the front door, looking out through the prow, which is Lindal's signature angled glass wall that you see in almost all the classic designs. And what a view of the beautiful Lake Kiwi these clients are going to have. Thank you all so much for spending a few minutes with us walking through this project. We look forward to bringing you more videos as this home progresses and we get it dried in. Thanks and have a great day.